Hello, guys. Good morning. I bring you good tidings today. Today we have a lot of good news, and then I will be sharing with you VIP premium tips on this platform. And today we are using Mega Pari to predict our own games today. So if you are not on Mega Pari, kindly check the link in the comment section and register. It's very simple. This platform offers you over 200% sign up bonus and also other privileges. So depositing money here is very simple, and also withdrawal is quite fast as possible. Within 3 minutes you get your money in your bank account. So I will be sharing with you premium tips here with this app platform. Then I will encourage you to sign up and get the bonus, and then also have the opportunity to play VIP games here for free. So let's get started. We have selected first premium two odds here on this platform. Then I will also share other tickets later in the afternoon on this Facebook page and also on our YouTube channel. So if you have not signed up, you have the opportunity to sign up between now and Sunday. So in these 3 days, I will be sharing with you free premium tips through this platform, which is called Mega Pari. So I will be sharing with you the booking code later. Okay, I just want to walk you through how you can use this platform, how you can register, how you can deposit money, and the rest of them. Is very simple. Within 3 minutes you are done. So let's get started. I'll clear this ticket first, then I'll go to the registration process. Okay, let's say that you are new, which you are new on this platform. So all you need to do is register, put your full name, your phone number, and then your email. Then you get the activation code, which is the OTP code. And then once you put your OTP code, your account is ready. Okay, let's get started here. You click on registration. If you are in Nigeria, your country will show automatically. Same with your currency. If you are in Ghana, Zambia, Kenya, South Africa, 200% bonus. As you can see, money line in capital letter, money line. Then after that, you can select sport. That is the game you'll be playing. Then you can tick all these box so that you get those notification. Then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you put the captcha. um Once you done with the captcha, you click on next. Then your account will be ready. You get the confirmation code from your email, and also the OTP they will be sent to your phone number. Once you insert those things, you'll be all right. Since I've already get started, so it's telling me that this email is already registered with. So I'll just go ahead and sign in. Once you are done with the registration, you can then sign in. Then as you can see, I've already signed. I've been playing with this platform for a very long time. I've grown my account to 7.5 million naira. So this very today game, I'm going to stay with today game with with 200,000 naira. I don't want you to stake like me. Bet responsibly, and then I'll advise, if you want to deposit, you can deposit from 2,000 naira upwards, so that the bonus, the 100% and 200% bonus will be something tangible. I can use that to do something else. Okay, moving on. This is how you insert booking code on this platform. Once you are done, this is how you, when you sign in, this is how you display. Then you click on this red stuff here. Let me put let me put some arrows so that you'll be seeing what I'm showing you. As you can see, this red circle here, that is where you click to put your booking code, because we'll be posting the booking code on this platform later in the day. Okay, you click on load best slip. Once you click on load best slip, you paste your booking code that you copied, and then you click on load. Once you click on load, all the games will display. As you can see, these are the games. The odds has increased to 3 odd, but it was 2 odd. These are premium to us for today. As you can see, the offer bigger odds in the market. So the odd was two odds on other platform. Then here is now 3.2 odd. So as you can see the benefit. Then you go to bet once you load your bet slip successfully. So I'm going to stake this game with 200,000 naira to win 651,000 naira. Okay, I'll click on bet. As you can see, bet successful. Then let's go to bet history. This is the game here, bet history. This is it. I'll share this booking code in the comment section also, and then I'll also paste this best slip ticket on the platform later, so you can go ahead and select this game and play. Using the booking code will be easier for you. Okay, and then I think that is all I have for you. Then I will also show you a walkthrough again on how to register in this platform. So if you want to deposit, it's very simple. Just click on deposit, then it will take you to your bank account where you can see the banking details. All you need to do is to copy the bank account that they sent to you. The same way you deposit on other platforms is that same easy. So go ahead and deposit, and then start playing. As I said earlier, I'll be offering you a free premium, a VIP on our tips, so you can use that to make some money this weekend. Okay, guys. I think that is all I have for you today. Then at the end of this video, the um, tutorial video on how to register will be playing. So if you have not understand what I've shown you so far, you can watch that tutorial video to see how you can register and then deposit. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys tomorrow on another free VIP premium. Don't do not forget that I will paste the best slip and also the booking code uh, on Mega Pari here on this Facebook and YouTube channel. Later in the day, I will be sharing with you other tips. Thank you so much again, and remember to bet responsibly.